Good morning, Standard 5. Children, today we are going to start our topic, creating a new presentation given in page number 69. Okay, page number 69. Open your book and now we are going to start this topic, creating a new presentation. So for this you have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a practical class now, so I am going to show you how to create presentation. Okay, so for creating a presentation can be created from a built-in templates or from a blank presentation. Okay, this is a PowerPoint. So first of all you have to go to the file tab and new option. Okay, so page number 70. First topic is given blank presentation. Okay, so to create a blank presentation, this option you are saying this is already selected, blank presentation option. Okay, this is already selected, so you have to click now on create. So this is your presentation. Okay, started. Presentation, whenever you open your presentation, it comes by default with one slide, okay, with two placeholders. Click to add title and click to add subtitles. Understood? No? So this is blank presentation. Now you can start preparing your presentation. Clear? So blank presentation. Now close this. Next topic is given built-in templates. Built-in templates. So templates are pre-designed templates. Okay, this one. Blank presentation, recent templates, sample templates. You have to click on sample templates. Okay, so these are templates. First one is given classic photo album. Okay, contemporary photo album. This one, 5 rules introducing PowerPoint. Means these are already prepared presentations. Clear? Template means here first of all you have to choose whichever you want. Suppose this one, contemporary photo album, you want to create a presentation using a template. So you can see this is presentation. Understood? How many slides? There are already 6 slides. Okay, 6 slides are there, already prepared one. Okay, so templates are pre-designed presentation. This is, you can see here, this is pre-designed presentation that contain layouts, color, fonts, effects, background, and even contents also. Okay, you can see this text content, it is already written. Here you see, this is second slide. Picture is there, background is there, okay, and content is also there. So for preparing a new presentation using template, what you have to do? You have to just clear this. Okay, delete this one and start writing whichever you want. Clear? And start writing. Okay, you want to write about nature. Okay, whatever you want, you can type here too. Here too. Means, see, whatever you want to write, you can write here. Okay, colors are already provided you. Okay, these are text boxes with color. Okay, blue color, it is here, it is in blue color. This one is in green color, and picture is already there. Okay, in this template you have to just type the content what you want. Understood? This is first slide, second slide also here. Picture is there, background is already ready, already prepared, given to you. Select this one, delete it, okay, and start writing. Okay, start writing whatever you want to write. I'm just showing you how to make a presentation using the templates. Clear? So to create a presentation from a template, okay, what you have to do? Go to the don't save, PowerPoint, file, click on new option, okay, then go to the sample template option. When you click this, so this is your gallery of available templates. What is it? A gallery. You can see so many templates are here. You want to prepare quiz show, okay, so you can choose this one, quiz show, okay. There's so many, okay. So if I select this one, okay, so you can see this is first slide of quiz show, this is second one. Understood, no? How many planets in the solar system have ring? 4 planets. Name also given: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune all have rings. Okay. So this way you can prepare a presentation for quiz show also. Okay. What you have to do? Okay. Content you can change. Background is already given, provided, okay. Colors are there. You need not to do anything, but only change the content which is required. Write all this and delete. Now whatever you want to write, okay, prepare. Understood? So templates are pre-designed presentations. These are pre-designed presentations. Means using these templates, no, you can prepare presentation quickly. Okay, quickly. So I hope you understood now. Okay. So if you want to change question, here sample question is given, sample question and answer. Means content you can change according to your requirement. Clear? See, select. Delete and start typing whatever you want. See this text, it is already formatted text. Okay, you need not to format. It is already formatted, given in the color, already provided you in the style. Okay, everything is already prepared. You have to just start typing the content and prepare presentation. So if you are asked to prepare presentation quickly, so you can use this template. Okay, sample templates option. Clear? Okay, now don't save. Now next topic is given themes. Theme is a setting with predefined combination of color, fonts and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Okay, see. Go to the file tab, new, and here is the option themes. Okay, so themes providing you colors, fonts. Okay, so you need not to bother about the colors and what type of fonts. Means these are already provided you with the themes for the presentation. Which type of theme you want, okay, choose. so many are given, okay, in the gallery, themes gallery. This is themes gallery. Suppose this one, okay, chosen. This is theme gallery, themes gallery, one option, okay, selected this one. What is its name? Metro. Its name is Metro. Okay, so Metro style chosen, create. Okay, so all slides now will appear of this theme only. See, slides all will appear in with this. Okay, now start typing here. Okay, colors are already given. Select picture, insert. Okay, this is earth. Okay, so what does it mean? You need not to bother about the background of the slide, color of the slide. Okay, just write what you want. Okay, R earth. Okay, first slide is ready. Understood? So you can prepare presentation using themes also. Okay, here you these are placeholders for typing. Okay, placeholders for typing. So fonts are coming. Okay, you can change also size. If you want to change, you can change. Okay, if you want to, clear. So these are themes. Means themes will provide you background colors, clear, fonts, font style, font size. It will provide you you have to type and insert pictures. Okay, and type your content. Okay, so picture whichever you want to add in your slide, no, pictures, clip art, whatever you want to add in your presentation, that only. Okay, rest things are already provided you in the themes. Okay, whenever you will click for the new slide, okay, suppose this to content layout, so layout you have to choose. Okay, what you have to choose? Layout for the slide. Understood? And start typing content and add whatever you want. Okay, so chart, table, okay, picture or video, clip art, smart art, whatever you want in your presentation. So you can add through this themes option. Okay, clear? If you want one more themes, okay, this one also create. So all slides will come with these themes. Understood? Now start typing. Understood? So through themes also you can prepare presentation. Understood? So these are 3 options for preparing a new presentation. You can use blank presentation option, you can use built-in template, or you can use themes. Clear, no? So again you see, this is Microsoft PowerPoint. Go to the file tab. Here is your file tab. Okay, file tab, click. Here is your new option, click. This is blank option. for creating blank presentation. Okay, blank presentation means it will not give you any background color or font, or will not provide you anything. Okay, you have to prepare your own. Sample templates will provide you pre-designed presentation. Okay, and themes will provide you already prepared background, font, okay, colors, color scheme, okay, all those things. Understood? If you click on blank and click on create, so this is a blank presentation. There is nothing. Okay, it's showing you only one slide, blank slide, okay, with two placeholders. Clear? Now if you choose, I'm just repeating, okay, I have shown you already, again repeating. Sample templates will provide you pre-designed presentation. All these are presentation. If you choose this one, okay, you can see already prepared presentation. So many slides are there. Okay, with smart work, picture, images. Okay, so these are already prepared presentation. Sample templates are already prepared presentation. You have to change only content. So quickly you can prepare presentation using sample template option. Clear? And next is themes. If you go to the themes, okay, so this is themes gallery. So themes gallery will provide you, click on create. Okay, so it will provide you this type of background for every slide. Okay, new slide. So this is for every new slide, it will provide you this type of background. Okay, and this type of font color scheme. Understood? I hope you understood now these three options: blank presentation option, sample template option, and themes. Okay, using these three options you can prepare presentation. Understood? So today we have done this. Okay, three options for preparing presentation. So you can be asked in your exam, what are the three options for preparing presentation? So your answer will be first one, blank presentation, second, built-in template, and third is installed themes. Okay, these are three options, and you can be asked to write short notes about these three. Okay, so read your chapter and whichever homework I'll give you, so do that one. Okay, and stay at home, be safe. Okay, don't go unnecessarily outside of your home. Okay, and keep doing your homework. Only 2 months are there for your final exam, so start preparation for final exam. Clear? Bye.